Okay. Look at the snow. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Holy bajoli. My lens is probably gonna fog up. It's snowing really good right now still. Oh my gosh. It's all laying on the branches of the trees. That grill's hysterical. Oh my gosh. It's covering my boot. That's how deep it is. This is crazy. It's like white out here. The plant looks like your plant, huh, Loretta? Look at it building up on the trampoline pole. Get it on the trampoline. Wow. It's crazy. It's pretty. Gorgeous. Get it on the grill. Oh, wow. This is something else. Oh my gosh. That's some snow. That's pretty tall. Wouldn't you say? You wish this on us, huh? You got your wish. Woo. Can't even see where the deck goes off the edge. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.